internet is beautiful, the internet is massive, and the internet has just way too much on it. 2.5 quintillion bytes of data roughly gets uploaded on the internet every day. But did you know this? That is only the tip of the iceberg. So imagine what is there under the surface. What is that remaining 96%? Today on The Whack, I'm going to tell you anything and everything that you need to know about the deep web under 1 minute. The deep web is that place on the World Wide Web that cannot be found through a normal search engine. So if you do want to get onto it, you have to download a special software which is called as Tor. It's not indexed, not catalogued, and it even contains an even deeper part which is called as the dark net. If you want to get onto the dark net, then you can only do it by being invited or accepted by its participants. So if it's untraceable, then it might contain some pretty crazy deep dark shit. There's child pornography, assassins for hire, and the list can go on and on. Silk Road was one of the biggest marketplaces for drugs, and its creator today is spending life imprisonment. On the brighter side, the deep web has also been used for the Arab Spring revolts for sending unfiltered messages. Snowden's files were also placed over there, and the US has also intercepted Al-Qaeda's messages. So how do you really transact and trade on this? Bitcoins. And Bitcoins today have become so huge, they're valued at this. While it sounds very mysterious and intriguing, I would suggest that you don't explore the deep web, because the deeper and deeper you get into it, the darker it gets. There's some pretty gory things on it. That's it from me on The Whack today. Share this video with your friends and tell them about this extraordinary world that actually exists. And if you've just joined us, welcome to the tribe. I'll catch you again very soon. Ciao. This poor guy stumbling all over the place who was actually suffering from a stroke. So quick to judge him. So quick to say, oh, he's a cop, the upholder of justice, and all cops are bad, and he's another example of that. The Bible is the most shoplifted book in the world. Dogs are mentioned in the Bible 14 times, lions are mentioned 55 times, and cats are not mentioned at all.